What do we got here?
Okay, so here's the big thing. As men get older, what ends up happening? They lose their hair here, but they get more hair in their nose and in their ears.
Yeah, and on my back. I got it all up here, up in here too.
Right. So this.
Right there.
Okay. So this is the MANGROOMER Pro Essential Nose and Ear Trimmer. It's $14.99. You can get it at mangroomer.com. I like it. Turn it on because it has a stainless. Well, I don't know if you want to show it, but it has a.
I feel it.
Right. So it has.
Good.
It feels good, right? It has this look, and you can go. Listen. It has a stainless steel cutting-edge blade that you can get super close results.
I feel it.
Right, without irritation. It's not going to irritate. It's not going to give you any, right. It won't give you any ingrown hairs. It's super safe to use. It has a HydraSpin. It has a HydraSpin cleansing.
Cool. I feel good.
Right, so it releases any shaving, so the blade is always clean when you use it. This is $14.99, mangroomer.com.